I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select Action Nimble. Give here an API token, so please visit the Nimble API token. Generate new token. Give here a meaningful name. Generate. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Nimble site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Nimble site. Thanks for watching.